Holly with Wing Mom. I am going to give a Pinterest hack and try to clean my sink with vinegar and baking soda. I haven't ever tried this before. I typically use Comet soft cleanser bleach and it works amazing. So why try something else if you like what you have? I don't know, just because I'd like to try. All natural, I don't know, I just want to try it. So
in this video, I will be cleaning my kitchen sink and I guess putting it to the test if I like baking soda better or if I like Comet better, I guess. So far, Comet's for the win because that's what I've always used. So I guess here we go. Some for the little bowl, too. Oh my god! I didn't realize that vinegar was gonna smell this bad. So I guess there's no really rhyme or reason. On my research it says to spray it with vinegar. And it stinks.
okay, so it says to put vinegar on it. I did. It also says to put Dawn on it. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put warm water in the little, whatever, the sink stopper thingies. I have a spongy. It's a scrubby. It's making like a paste. Like a, I don't know, like almost like mashed potatoes. And I can tell it's working because my mashed potatoes are turning brown. I like to get in the garbage disposal real well because it stinks. And did you know that on these things, this little black thing comes off? Well, I guess mine doesn't.
Are you dancing yet? If this doesn't make you want to clean your sink, I don't know what will. I think we're all OCD about something. A good song just came on the radio. I know you can't hear it in there. Sister Christian, you know the time has come. Yeah, that will embarrass my children. You're welcome.
At this point, I'm just trying to rinse everything off so I can dry it. I used the Wayman stainless steel polish. I just sprayed on my rag and I polish everything up.
Shining the stainless steel is my favorite.
Well, think I did it, y'all. Got some conclusion and some closing thoughts here. So, with the Comet, it works well. Love it. Not as hard to clean up, but it does smell like bleach. If you can't handle bleach, then this is a great way to do it. And it does shine it up and clean it, and it looks fantastic. Whenever I'm cleaning houses, it's easier to carry one product as opposed to several. So I like it. It's still a way to go, and I would recommend. But the other way is equally as awesome. So, anywho, okay, bye. I swear cleaning is fun. It can be. Come on, guys, it's fun.